Tara.
Hi, sir. Ito ka sir. One more.
Uy, yun, i-bite ko. Nagduduto.
Ginoon, ito na. Leslie.
Uy, ako rin yung wala.
How did he do that?
Smile, Dad. Nabungkag.
Sige, tawag ka ng kuan na bird. Ravenclaw, sa to? Ba, katong kontra sa iyo. Oh, kato ba? Naman nila ko. Mura si Crow.
Ding, magkuhan para na di dali na kayo sana. Muna atong
Diri ma'am kay well fed naman sila and provided nilang needs.
Gipakuan na siya ma'am, gipasanay.
As of now ma'am, we don't have a female lion po or a lioness here in safari.
Okay.
Yes ma'am. All males po sila ma'am.
Naki-famous mo.
Doon sila. You thought they're small? Smile. Kato.
Ayun lang tayo.
Picture ini. Ato ka dito, picture.
Ako cellphone na
Ay, doon lang.
Tawag ka balik kuya.
Nasa ka diha, diri hanggan no.
Kuya, tawag ka balik kuya.
Ay, kabala ka guys, si Air Japan ako.
Kasi hindi mo si pangalan na nila.
Or they are like our fingerprints. They don't have the same pattern with the other zebras. To identify if it is male or female, you can identify it through the colors. Because male zebras have darker skin color while female have those brownish skin color.
Female.
So looking here on your right side again, that is what we call
Research naman eh. Ang tingin. Research mo siya.
Stop. Smile. Great.
Hindi, naglalakad siya ngayon dito. Come on, let's observe it.
They can jump up to 10 feet in height while in a standing position.
Yeah, asa.
So once again, the zebras, the water buck, the great...
Uy. Si nanay di ay.
Okay, that was different.
Tara nagkaon.
Dara
Orangutan! Ay, no? Monkey.
Pwede sa ato ay parang
Oh. Ay, ba't
Grabe ka, tambo kayo. Ilaga.
chill. What are you doing?
I can't see.
I want you know.
The closest we've ever been. Oy, oy, oh! Shan. Basta na-feel threatened sila. Dili ra ba na sila maligo?
Ha?
Ako ba na yun ang fur? Uy, asa ang alcohol?
Fuzzy kay Sia.
Ay!
Diving.
Lamat! Yawa! Lako ay lagagasaw-saw.
They are like sheep and cattle. Ka-cute!
Ay, pero
Ate siya sa Ross family pa mas cute siya.
matagit na yung si... Boy, dool kay boy!
Calm naman siyang animal.
Ano to?
Wap!
Kunti lang mo. Basta na sila.
Sama siya.
Dalita na, ayun.
Yun na sama.
Itong gani sila pag-anhit. Doon sa kainit, in my left corner, the heat of the sun, it becomes darker. Ala, may ko ka!
Itat.
Ayaw lang.
Katnin, siyan, tanaw mo, Bi.
Nang bisa ko din. Ate naman mo.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. EJ.
Hi, mabuhay, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. Once again, my name is DJ, and I will be your host for today. So everyone, hi! Hello! And how about we start this afternoon with the biggest round of applause? Parinig po muna ng isang lakas na palakpakan! Alright, an amazing energy. So everyone, did you see our group of pigeons? Now, did you know that pigeons can remember places and find their way back home no matter how far they will go? That's why they are used as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and also enjoy as our fine-footed friends will showcase their natural behaviors We'll invite guests away, open a bit and drop it inside. Good bird. Second one, he picks the plastic cup, walks all the way, open a bit and drop it inside. Is the one, amigo. Last one, he picks up the can, walks all the way, open a bit and drop it inside. Good bird. Now see if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to... That's right, godliness. So amigo, together with his 500 friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have here a total of 6 blue-gold flying macaws. I'm Harry, Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. We also have here our green-winged Maconi, Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. So when they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Now for their diet, they may eat seeds, fruits, palm fruits, vegetables, flowers, stems, and leaves. Now in the wild, they eat mud or clay to neutralize toxins from the various plants in their diet. And it also gives them essential minerals like iron, calcium, and most especially sodium. Now this bird, they can grow up to 65 to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. They have a strong and powerful beak that can easily crack nuts and seeds with an impressive bite force of 500 to 700 psi. So psi means pounds per square inch. Just like how humans can be left or right-handed, macaws have a favorite food to use while holding their food. Now, did you know that most macaws are left-footed? Now, there are 400 total species of parrots globally, and the blue and gold by Miss Debbie. So, Mr. Next arranging the jumbled letters, let's proceed here to Miss Rachel to ask some questions about Jumbo. Alright, so hi Jumbo buddy, and hi Miss Rachel. Good afternoon. So, how are you today?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. So, Miss Rachel, for my first question about Jumbo, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess he loved to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I guess we're all set and ready. Now, Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Let's see if you can spell the zebra word correctly. Now, let's do it, buddy. First letter, he picks up the letter Z. Good bird. Second letter, buddy. Alright, take your time, no need to rush. And he picks up the letter E. Good bird. And third letter, buddy. He picks up the letter B. Nice one. Fourth letter, buddy. And he picks up the letter R. Now, samayin po the last letter, Jumbo. You can do it, buddy. And he picks up the letter A. So, zebra spells as Z-E-B-R-A. So, everyone, is it correct? Alright, so this type of behavior showcases the intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. And I guess the spelling test was a very easy test for Jumbo. Let's make it more difficult. Let's proceed to the mathematical test in addition 4. So everyone, just give me 2 numbers from 1 to 10. You can raise your hands or hand signs. How about this side? Let's see here 5. How about this side? Higher than 5. Let's see 8. Let's have 5 plus 8. So while Mr. Romnek is arranging the jumbled numbers, let's go back here to Miss Rachel to ask more questions about Jumbo. Hi again, buddy. Alright, so hi again, Miss Rachel. So Miss Rachel, what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
So Jumbo's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and also vegetables. Now, Miss Rachel, what are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
English and math. Wow, Jumbo. Now, for my last question about Jumbo, where did Jumbo love to go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. What a nice school for an intelligent bird like Jumbo, right? Now, Jumbo buddy, what is 5 plus 8? Well, that's your favorite subject. Alright, 5 plus 8, buddy. First number, he picks up the number 1. That's correct, buddy. Now, time for the last number. To complete the 5 plus 8, and he picks up the number 3. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So everyone, is it correct? Alright, so round of applause for Greenwig McConning Jungle. Now at this moment, I need... Rudy, can you bark? Next one is a telephone ringing. Next one is a whistle. Alright, so Miss Donna, we hear that Lani and Rudy here love to sing. Is it true?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Now let's do the warm up. La 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 la. La 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 la. And I guess we're all sitting ready for the first song. So for the first song, whoa, whoa, yeah. Now for the second song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Alright, so happy birthday to all the celebrants. So Lani and Rudy, we have some celebrants here today. What will you do next? See how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart, just like humans, using their voices. So round of applause to our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots, our mimicking birds named Lani and Rudy, also to their mentor, Miss Donna. So Tukitucans are the largest and the best-known toucan species around the world. As you can see, it has a white throat and a black-colored body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. And Tukitucans, they're only short flyers, unlike other birds. They can only fly from short distances, hopping from one branch and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. So there are 40 toucan species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and colorful bill. So as you can see, Mr. Horn here has a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light, as it's only made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and also our nails. And for their lifespan, they can live from 30 to 40 years in captivity. And for their diet, they love to eat bananas, strawberries, raspberries, and also eggs. Now a round of applause to our Philippine eagle. And it is considered as a medium-sized raptor that can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Now for our next birds of prey, it embodies the beauty and mystery of the night. Now ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated, relax, and be silent as we welcome the night creature of the Philippines. So Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl species that can be found here in the Philippines. As you can see, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can easily spot a prey from 2 kilometers away. Now, did you know when they are flying, they're almost silent because of their special feathers that made them glide quietly in the night. That's why also they are called as a silent stalker or the silent hunters of the night. Just like other owls, they can rotate their heads from 270 degrees. And yes, that is possible because this bird has 14 neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and stay aware of its surroundings without even moving its whole body. And lastly, they are locally known here in the Philippines as guago or bukaw. Our Philippine eagle owl named Boo. So round of applause to our Philippine eagle owl named Boo. Now for our next birds of prey, they are experts at snatching their food even in mid-air. Now ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our snatching prey of flight, our Bromelic guides named Shadow. But wait, there's more. Here. So Bromelic guides, they practice kleptoparasitism. They love to snatch their foods from other birds. Now these are birds that is seen in the skies of Sri Lanka, Nepal, India, and Pakistan. Now Bromelic guides are also known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya. Parts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of silver, Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, they can grow from up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for better future generations. And before we fully end up our show, I would like to introduce to you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, Miss Rachel. We also have here Mr. Charles, Mr. Romnek, and Miss Debbie. And yours truly, my name is EJ. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, my name is KJ. Thank you so much, everyone. We enjoy the show and enjoy the rest of the night. For those who want to take pictures of our photographer, just form a line here at the center. We have your official photographer's debut tour. This is your chance, guys. It is only for free. And if you want to use your phones, just avoid using flash.
Anak mo. Smile mo.